Rima and Roy and Bunny Binod from St. Joseph Autonomous College, Kerala, assistant professor. Miss Rima and Roy, she is assistant professor, and Mr. Bani Binod, she is a student. Now welcoming them to present their paper. Is it okay, Dr.
Okay,
Arko Shukul?
okay, I'm listening.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Okay, thank you so much. Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be presenting a paper on digital democracy, the role of Instagram influencers on political discourses. I have co-authored this paper with Ms. Vani Vinod, but she couldn't join because of network issues. The concept of digital democracy refers to the various ways by which each electronic platforms can engage and secure the wider and more informed participation of the public in the political environment. Digital democracy might involve the greater use of the internet to gauge public opinion and create a solution to numerous contemporary political problems. Social media platforms have brought new political figures into the spotlight and helped them spread their message and garner support for their political campaigns. Political institutions have shifted their focus to Instagram, understanding the role it plays in the lives of the critical millennial voters to organize and initiate political discussions. Users go to Instagram to get a detailed insight of the political happenings of the world, figure out a way to react to it. Thus, the popularity of the platform has given rise to Instagram influencers who have a clear impact on the way their faithful followers and the general public think about politics. These influencers have a solid base of fans who follow their content for entertainment or inspiration. In other words, they have the ability to be the leaders of public opinion. They are able to drive the attitudes and behavior of their followers by pushing contents at them. The active users of Instagram, that is the young adults, consume this content put out by the influencers and get emotionally invested in it. Thus, by reacting to a certain post or a story, they associate themselves with a political campaign or a movement, creating a virtual identity for themselves. So, influencer marketing is slowly becoming a priority to politicians, and speaking politics is becoming a priority to these influencers to stay connected with their audience. Apart from the many positive effects that influencers have brought over the time, new problems or old ones have resurfaced. Influencers have the potential to be part of disinformation campaigns, and they also tend to give their personal opinions about political issues without conducting proper research. These opinions can be due to the political ideologies or associations they have due to the current social trends. Since spotting the difference between fact and false information that appears on social media is increasingly difficult, the influencers may deceive their followers by constantly injecting certain kind of information and creating a different notion in their minds. Hence, creating an appeal of greater transparency is necessary to avoid these influencers from spreading fake news, hate speech, and conducting political campaigns for politicians. To conclude, most people might agree that Instagram influencers raise awareness of, if not knowledge about, social and political issues. However, it is less clear whether raising awareness translates into more meaningful and tangible societal benefits. So, Instagram influencers have a great effect on their followers. They blindly listen and often end up thinking and processing information on the same line as their influencers. This may force the users to follow the political ideologies of their influencers and not creating one of their own. By following famous influencers, users are trying to be part of a collective identity. Some argue that this symbolic gesture on social media is equal to performative wokeness, which can hurt rather than help the actual movement. Some scholars also think that many people actively participate in the political discussions online to avoid feeling guilty for not posting and being up with the trend. Thus, the quality of digital democracy created by social media influencers is creating a generation of skewed mentality with a passive political identity. Thank you.
Okay, this is very good presentation. Next
Thank you,
speaker.
sir.
Thank you.